Hello guys. How are you all? कैसे हैं? Hello everybody. Good evening. I'm good too. So today we are going to do something little bit different. Yeah? In the morning we were testing and a lot of you joined us. So then I said, yeah, we're testing something and we will see you in the evening. Yeah? And so here we are, 7 o'clock. I am trying to connect Jaya Kota in my live. I'm accepting go live with Jaya Kota. Yeah. Just give me 1 minute, guys. I'm trying to go live with a student of ours. Yeah. Because I want today, मेरे को तो आप लोग सुनते ही हैं. हाँ. I want today that you guys isn't able to join. Jaya, what is wrong? It says it isn't able to join. मेरे को तो आप लोग सुनते ही हैं. आज आप एक और मदर को सुनो. हाँ, उनकी जर्नी. Jaya, I've accepted the request. It's sending me that you are for some reason not able to go live with Jaya. Ah, there you are.
Hi,
Hi,
ma'am.
how are you?
All good, all good, all good.
Excellent. How is the kiddo?
Sharanvi is doing good, ma'am. Super good.
Right. So, people, let me introduce you all. I'm very proud of her. This is one of our hardworking student moms. Yeah, Jaya, say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
And
Hi.
yeah. So, today, before we look at, Rajni again going bug, 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 bug. I want, you have to give me, Jaya, just interact with everybody. I'll open the door and come. 1
Sure,
minute.
ma'am. Sure. Hi, everybody. Welcome. I don't know. I have no words to express, in fact, because my journey with Rajni ma'am started with similarly, like the way you are browsing, suddenly I happened to see her one of the videos. I attended her master class, then a boot camp, and joined KYCP in November. And November, I took 2 months. I followed couple of rules given in the KYCP, and my kid, the visible changes I could see. She is 5 year old baby girl, 5 year old on mild autism spectrum, and that 2 months, the change which I've seen in her was like marvelous. Then I just couldn't stop myself, and I've enrolled her in the the ASD program, and I've been working with my child. You won't believe, I think in the session when map keeps asking, or whenever I have opportunity, I keep telling the child who could barely talk, she was non-verbal or verbal but with very limited vocabulary, which was like, after getting to know Rajni ma'am and her program, I started writing down what all she knows. Otherwise I was like clueless. I was all hoping that she'll get better with therapies or as the age goes by or whatever. But I don't know. I was like, then I started writing. She was at barely 50 words. And now, with continuous improvement, the marathons, with the special educators coaching me, I think the platform, what Shashakt provides, is marvelous. It makes you as a therapist, and you know what your child is capable of, and at their ease, you can make yourself better, in fact, while teaching this to the kid of yours. And I'm very confident. Now there is no worry in me. Earlier I used to be worried, uh, so I was like really happy. And now she's at close to 500 words of vocabulary. She's talking in 2 word phrases without prompt, like mujhe nahi khana do. Now we are moving her to mujhe khana do. She's telling that, but with prompt. I'm happy. I think the improvement is quite visible. She's following
So,
commands and lot
Jaya,
more.
what
Yeah,
I
ma'am.
would want you to do is
Yes, ma'am.
I would want you to take people's questions today.
Okay,
Okay.
sure, ma'am.
And wherever I feel that, okay, I need to add a pointer, I'll add a pointer.
Sure, ma'am.
But
Sure.
it gives me immense pleasure to do this, that I am confident that here is a student and she can not only handle her kid, she can handle answers to other people. Yeah?
Sure, ma'am.
Now
Sure.
that's empowerment. Yeah? Go ahead. People ask your questions and Jaya will answer. Jaya,
Please,
take it from
please.
the chat. Yeah, take
Yeah,
it
yeah,
from the
sure,
chat.
ma'am. Yeah. So somebody was asking about diagnosis. So you will make out, I think, at the age of 1.5 to 2.5, you will make out there is something different about the child. So I think you will have to go before jumping into the therapies. That was a mistake which I have done. First, get assessment done. When your assessment is done, then start probing on what level she or he is in or whatever. So Rajani ma'am's qualification, she's been a mother of autistic child and she's gone through it. And
Uh,
her son Jay is now 21, 22-year old, living
no,
his life on his
talk
own.
about professional qualifications, sweetheart, because otherwise you'll end up being a quack. I'm a qualified special educator with RCI registration, RCI number 6A66749. And I'm a B.Ed special ed. I was pursuing my M.Ed, but I stopped in between because there was too much workload. I'll go back to it now. And some 25 plus different programs on autism from various university, India and abroad. Yeah. Otherwise, being a mother, then people say, oh, quack. Only being a mother, then that's how they start looking at it. So, yeah, although I know that the best qualification for autism is to be an empowered mother. You have no idea, Jaya, how much I learn from all of you. Because you come up with newer ideas. You say, let's do this, let's do
Yep.
that. Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
My son is 7 years and he's not stable in sitting at school, home, and now he's aggressive. I think, ma'am, you will have to do a little observation of your child, understand why he is not sitting. So there could be a reason why he is not sitting at home or at school. First of all, he is not able to, figure out what he has to do. Now, autistic children will not have inferential learning, so they cannot see, observe, and learn. So we will have to teach them, like if it is school, how they have to sit. First, understand why he or she is not able to sit. Structure the environment. Show him how the environment should be. You cannot just tell him, go be a good boy at school, because he cannot understand that what is good boy means. So you should tell them, आप उनको बताना पड़ेगा कि आप वहां जाके बेंच पर बैठोगे. Get the photographs of the school classroom if needed. You should tell him or her कि you'll have to walk this way, you'll have to go sit in this bench, you have to see the board, you have to sit with the classmates. These things jot down simply. I will again come up with an example of when you start cooking, how will you write? You will write each and every point, right? पहले इसको सोक करो, फिर वॉश करो, फिर बॉयल करो, ऐसे ही है. So you'll have to get into that level. Understand. First you understand, then make the child understand how he or she should be there in that environment, and then make those behavior corrections. Still there are tantrums, understand what the child likes, use it as reinforcer, and then sort out that behavior, and it will happen. It will happen if you are time and again making them understand. And special autistic बच्चे बहुत इंटेलिजेंट होते हैं, बहुत अच्छे से समझ जाते हैं, एंड अगर वो समझ जाते हैं, पकड़ लेते हैं ना, you cannot move them back to the old behavior, unlike the other neurotypical where वो ऐसे 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 घुमा फिर के फिर से वापस चले जाते हैं. It doesn't happen with autistic kids.
Also, Jaya, there is a gap between what is being taught and what is the child's exact cognition level.
Yes.
That's why he doesn't want to sit. And it's
Correct.
hard for the kid. Yeah.
Correct. Correct.
So you have to go down to the level of the kid, first of all, assess, understand, and then you have to start teaching from there using autism specific teaching techniques.
Yes.
Yeah.
You cannot just make them write, like, because he's not understanding. When he's not understanding what teacher is telling or what the other kids are doing, he will not sit. He would want to go into his own word or to the place corner which he feels is safe zone or nice zone for him. So there are techniques. उनका वो cohesive mind को contact करने के लिए there are multiple techniques which are specially designed for autistic children. Whether it is color coding से explain करना है या from bigger to smaller size with 3D first then moving to 2D, because if their mind registers a concept clearly then there is no stopping, and slowly stepwise. एक दिन में you cannot make them master in anything. Slowly if you move, it could be language, it could be academics. Like I can tell you my example. When I started my journey with Rajni ma'am, which is Team Shashakt, she could only read out few alphabets. Now she can tell A to Z, both upper and lower case. She's gone into phonic level. She can tell what sound an alphabet says. She can tell A for apple says Z for zebra, with each alphabet three words. Number transition is 1 to 100 oral, and she can actually identify, put it in order up to 70. I mean, this is the development which I've seen 4-5 months with very fine-tuned techniques, for,
Now,
getting
what is our
academics right.
princess?
5-year-old, ma'am. 5-year-old. Sharanvi is 5-year-old, ma'am.
Amazing. See, that's the point here, dear. What we have to do is Sam, Dam, Dand, Bhed, Jo, Marzi lage, लगा के autism specific teaching technique से gap को remove करिए. If at 5 this kid is doing so much, God bless her, as she grows up the gap will be minimized. That's the name of the game.
Yes.
सब लोग ऐसे जैसे बोलते हैं जय इतना कैसे गैप नहीं ना आने दिया मैंने.
Correct.
एक ही मंत्र है, गैप मत आने दे दो. गैप आएगा तो बॉस गेम ओवर है.
Correct.
Yeah. So great. So take some more questions.
Behaviors, I tried reinforcement, now it is not working. Ma'am, you should keep changing the reinforcers. It's all interest. हमको भी as a human being we like certain things, sometimes फिर बोर हो जाते हैं. So you will have to first understand the style, learning styles of the kid.
Learning style. Yeah, talk about
Learning
that.
style. Like
I'm
my
not
daughter
technical, but
keeps
yeah, talk
roaming.
about it.
उसको ना इधर से उधर कूदना पसंद है, इधर जाना पसंद है. So she is a kinesthetic learner. She likes textbooks. उसकी बड़ी बहन who is 8-year-old उसकी textbook देख के picture को देखती है. She is a visual learner. So ऐसे identify what are your learning styles. There are 7 learning styles. So if you attend ma'am's masterclass, you will know little in detail about these, or you can go to her YouTube channel. There are a lot of, content on it. You identify the learning style, and each learning style के हिसाब से figure out some 3-4 items, and this you need to change every 2 months or 1 month. Like in my case, I have to change it every 2 months. She gets bored of the reinforcers. So आप कभी-कभी मैं अभी आजकल मैम you won't believe I'm using my mother as a reinforcer. अभी I moved to human interpersonal. I've been a reinforcer. Now I moved my elder one as a reinforcer. She likes playing with sister. So I keep telling her, if you do not finish this, sister Akka will go and play with the neighbor kid. You will miss the chance. So she's doing that now. She's writing because of that. So
guys, the one major point here that I would like to say it as blatantly without the fear of being misunderstood. I don't care. When a parent knows autism like the way Jaya is talking, the chances of the kid being successful are very high. कृपया हिंदी में बात कीजिए मैडम प्लीज.
जरूर बात करेंगे मैम. एक बार मैम, आई डोंट नो, आई हैव हर्ड इट समवेयर बट आई कोरिलेट विथ योर वर्ड्स. पत्थर इधर नहीं इधर लगाओ, फिर समझ आएगा कि कैसे काम करना है. एंड वंस यू गेट दैट कॉन्फिडेंस, टुडे आई सजेस्ट मेनी ऑफ माय colleagues who have kid with ASD, help them with these points, so you will become more confident. अब हमारे बच्चों के साथ साथ सब तुम बच्चों को हेल्प करना चालू करोगे.
Yeah, nice. Somebody is asking about my child doesn't feel hungry. ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन था, देखो जरा.
I can see the latest question only, ma'am.
अच्छा, okay. I'll put it down. I'm sorry.
In fact, I am not able to see you also, so I'm like,
There must be a issue with the
screen
signal.
issue.
I'm right
Yes.
here. Yeah. My son won't tell he's feeling hungry. I get the food and he sits and only feed. I should feed him. He never eats by himself. Sara Tabassum. Yeah.
Yeah. Ma'am, I think I recently have sent 2 videos of my child eating on her own. एक डोसा है, एक रोटी का है, जिसमें
Okay.
she doesn't wanted to touch those wetty chutney या gravy. उसका वो
Sensory.
था,
Yeah.
हाँ सेंसरी था. सो आई enabled her with all the sensory वाले जो होते हैं, so that she gets used to those things like what do you call slime हो गया, फिर डॉ with mixing whatever. So that sensory thing has
So
faded a little. I
desensitizing.
won't say completely out, but I ensure she eats it together, together with her sister. This is part of her routine. Now, one meal of the day, she does it either breakfast or dinner. She eats it on her own without any support.
And
So she
what
nicely
would you
and
say about this thing?
ma'am,
What would you
she's
say
just
about this thing?
she doesn't
That
just touch it. ऐसे dip करके आराम से मुंह में करके खाती है. So it is the behavior correction we should do. We should tell
Yeah.
them, teach them, understand what is the issue, and
Jaya, also, I
Ma'am.
will not eat on my own. Mummy has to feed me. What is that? Is it sensory or is it a rigid pattern? What is it? What
Ma'am,
would
it's
you
a
like
rigid
to
pattern. All this while, the kid has been used to fed by mom. So we have to
Yeah.
break that rigid pattern. एक ही दिन में सारा खाना उसको खाने दीजिए. Slowly, portion of it. अगर whichever food he enjoys. Like I started with snacks, ma'am, because she used to enjoy eating snacks, which are not very wetty, and those are those finger foods. तो फ्रूट्स हो गया या वैसे स्लोली आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग अ रीडिंग विद स्पून. सो दैट पैटर्न ऑफ मम्मी को मुझे आके खिलाना है इज टेकन आउट स्लोली. नाउ शी इज नोन व्हेन द फूड इज सर्व्ड इन अ प्लेट. आजकल वो खुद जाके परोसने लग रही है, तो वो अलग ही बात है. सो जाके खुद मतलब बैठ के खाती है, बिकॉज इट इज अंडरस्टूड बाय अस एंड द पैटर्न इज broken.
And how would you break the pattern? Can you suggest, Sarah?
Um,
Like the child is not eating on his own. What pattern would you break? How would you break the pattern?
वही कि we have to show some videos. I did that. I have showed first पहले I showed her sister sitting and eating on her own, which is her own example at home. I showed some. I took her to a neighbor's place during their kid का dinner time. I showed her also. तो उसका 2 live examples हो गए मैम. सो सारा जी वो 2 लाइव एग्जाम्पल से उसको थोड़ा समझ में आ गया. देन आई शोड हर सम चिल्ड्रन के वीडियोस जो खुद बैठ के गा रहे हैं. मूवी में से मैंने चुन के मूवी में से निकाल के कट करके उसको दिखाया, तो उसको फेयर अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ गया. वो एक चीज है. देन दूसरा, व्हेन शी वाज ईटिंग, दो हर डिनर टाइम एंड हमारा डिनर टाइम में गैप था, बट वी एंश्योर्ड फॉर फ्यू डेज we at least 3-4 of us will sit with her and each of us will eat from our own plates. So this helped me to break the rigid pattern.
Great. And expectation setting, preempting, physically
Correct.
follow through the
So expectation setting हो गया कि आप बैठोगे इस कुर्सी में या नीचे इस मैट पे बैठोगे, इसी प्लेट से खाओगे. यू विल नॉट पिक बाजू वाले प्लेट से मत निकालना. सो ऐसे एक्सपेक्टेशन सेटिंग स्टेप बाय स्टेप उसको बताना चाहिए. व्हेन शी डज इट, you should really appreciate. उसको बहुत बहुत क्या करना है, अप्रिशिएट करना है कि वेरी गुड, ऐसे ही करो, वेरी गुड. चाहे तो क्लैप करो, सब मिलके क्लैप करो. अगर वो मान लीजिए नहीं खा रही है तो बिठाओ जबरदस्ती उसको, बार बार नहीं उठना नहीं, बैठो, नहीं बाजू मत जाना, बैठो, खाओ खाओ, फिनिश करो, एक डोसा और, हाफ डोसा और एक स्पून और। तो प्रीएम्प्ट करता रहना चाहिए, नहीं तो उनको एकदम बैठ के कुछ खा के चले जाएंगे। सो एक्सपेक्टेशन सेटिंग, एक तो उसको पहले नॉलेज देना है कि कैसे करना है, दूसरा एक्सपेक्टेशन सेटिंग करना है, तीसरा प्रीएम्प्टिंग करना है अगर वो नहीं कर पा रही है या शी इज लूजिंग इंटरेस्ट, तीसरा अगर वो कर रही है तो बहुत अप्रिशिएट करो, दे विल लव इट एंड they will start doing it, following your command if you're doing it.
And always, physically follow through with your command so that they understand आप क्या चाह रहे हो.
Correct.
So many times उनको ये पता ही नहीं होता कि आप उनसे चाह क्या रहे हो. आप बोलते भी रहोगे तो उन्हें समझ नहीं आएगी. तो आप
Correct.
बोलो और आप वो करवाओ. आप बोलो आप खुद खाओगे तो आप चम्मच
Correct.
हाथ में, उसका चम्मच लेके आप हाथ
Correct.
पकड़ोगे, आप चम्मच नहीं लगाओगे. वो करेंगे, आप रीइंफोर्सर ये फेंकूं, हटाओ, हाँ, पीछे करोगे, फिर डालो मुंह में, शाबाश आप डालो, आपका हाथ ये है, बच्चे का हाथ ये है, डालो
And
मुंह
वो
में, अपने
रो रहे, you break it and you start feeding कि चलो करते थे, बस they have won it. वो मत कीजिए प्लीज. जितना भी खाए, खा रहे हैं तो let them do it. If they are not, just make them do it. Because when I had to teach her, it took 45 minutes for just that little 2 spoonful of snacks. टाइम लगता है, बट we shouldn't make them again feed them. तो फिर से वो पैटर्न ब्रेक ही नहीं हो पाएगा. So वो एक पॉइंट.
Absolutely. Okay, tell me if you're tired, Jaya. I am loving this.
No, I am absolutely loving. आपका एनर्जी आ गया थोड़ा बहुत.
नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत नहीं. You are my star, and this is how. And she's not the only one. We are starting this series where we'll talk to a lot of parents here. Okay, and I think the true win for a teacher is when her or his student doesn't need the teacher. And with you guys, Jaya, I think that you are there, that you are going to replace me. You are going to retire me soon.
मैम ग्रुप में बाकी पेरेंट्स के इतने अच्छे अच्छे वर्क आते हैं मैम. देयर एवरीबडी इज एन इंस्पिरेशन. Each one has a point where we can learn a lot. So
absolutely. अभी नाज है, बच्चा बिल्कुल नहीं बोलता था, उससे अभी कितना बोलने लग गया. Yeah.
Correct.
And lot of times today also a family came from Indore and they said हम 2 साल से, उन्होंने एक थेरेपिस्ट का नाम लिया जो मैं नहीं लूंगी अभी because it's not about name calling. And he said हम उनके पास 2 साल से जा रहे हैं, ना तो कभी कोई प्लान हमें दिया है, ना हमें ये बताया है, तो फिर कैसा होगा ना.
Correct.
इसीलिए रजनी का मॉडल ये है, तू कर ये काम, तू कर, you do, because you learn when you do. Yeah, lot of times I get misunderstood also that, what is she doing, all the work we have to do. But that's where the real power is, no?
Correct.
That's where you are independent with your kid for life.
Correct.
Because you know how to handle it. That's the beauty of the whole thing. Yeah? Okay. Sonam Kalra's next question, take it. मेरी बेटी 8 years की है, खुद से वॉशरूम नहीं जाती है. So what would you suggest? People, are you loving it? I am loving this. Yeah, send me hearts. Yeah. All right, great. Yeah, carry on.
So my child also used to do it. So when I joined, she was around close to 4 year, 9 months or whatever. She never used to tell when she had to pee or but potty she used to tell, but only on diapers. Now, so what we have done is again the technique what I got from ma'am is first initially we'll have to just make them go to make them pee in the loo. Tell them how, again same, show them pictures. So what I've done is I've put one card which shows the bathroom picture, which is again same techniques. I blindly followed. There is no invention at all. And this was the first task which I picked when I've joined. In fact, I joined your master class, ma'am. That's where I got this material for washroom ka thing.
Yeah, we give in the master class itself, we give the
yes,
washroom.
So I've put a bathroom wala picture, laminate करके एक जगह पे रख दिया हॉल में, लिविंग रूम में, एक बाथरूम के डोर पे. आई टोल्ड हर गोइंग टू वॉशरूम इनिशियली, गो चलो. आई टुक हर अगेन, show the photograph on the bathroom door. So she understood when she had to get. So initially she used to tap on that card to tell us that she need to go to the toilet. As it slowly, then we moved her to bell concept. So we gave her bell whenever she had to go. She used to ring that bell. Then slowly now she had to go to the bathroom. She is now she goes inside. She just puts her pants down, go to the loo. Washing थोड़ा अभी हमारा assistance लग रहा है because she's unable to wash it properly. Then she's coming back. Now my target is when she's going to school, she's doing the same. I don't know because she needs to communicate. Now, slowly a month back, say I've started telling her how she need to communicate when she's going to toilet. And I think school is also happy that she's telling now. If she had to go to toilet, she's telling, ma'am, toilet. Ma'am, toilet. So that's enough for...
Just to add to it, सोनम कालरा, आप बोल रहे हैं कि उसको पता नहीं चलता, तो आपको एक स्केड्यूल लगाना पड़ेगा ताकि आपको पता चले कि उसके टॉयलेटिंग कितने अंतराल पे है, कितने इंटरवल पे है, ड्यूरेशन क्या है, 30 मिनट, 35 मिनट, 1 घंटा, सवा घंटा, कितने देर में बच्चा जा रहा है। और उससे 5 मिनट 10 मिनट पहले से आप अलार्म बेल्स, जो वो कह रहे हैं ना बेल बजाने का, तो पहले आप अलार्म बेल्स, ताकि बॉडी के प्रेशर, ब्लैडर के प्रेशर को वो टन टन के साथ एसोसिएट करे। और जो अभी उसका वहां पे सेंस नहीं जा रहा है कि मुझे आया है, मुझे नहीं आया है, वो टन टन के साथ एसोसिएट होके वो ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएट हो जाता है। फिर आप जब टन टन करते हो तो उसको एकदम ध्यान आता है कि हाँ आया है। फिर बाद में टन टन फेड कर देंगे और बच्चा अपने आप कनेक्टेड हो जाएगा तो जाना शुरू करेगा। ये साइंटिफिकली आपने प्रोग्रेस करना है सो दैट द चाइल्ड कैन be independent in the toileting. People, if you think and if you feel that this is an inspiration, that here is a mother who is knowing the game like she should and working with her kid, and you want to be like that, and if you think that the masterclass will help you, type I in the chat box so that my team can send you the link for the masterclass. And because एक बात आप लोग सब जान के चलो, पंजाबी की कहावत है, हिंदी में ही बोल देती हूँ, आप न मरिए स्वर्ग न जाइए, कोई दूसरा तेरे कंधे का भार अपने कंधे पे रख के आगे लेके नहीं जाने वाला है। अगर आज जया सक्सेसफुल है, वो इसीलिए सक्सेसफुल है क्योंकि she has understood this at an early age, she has learned the techniques and then implemented. यही अगर वेट करते रहती, बैठे रहती, वेट करते रहती, इसके पहले बिना टेक्निक्स सीखे कहीं और पे थेरेपी लेके जा रही थी जया?
हाँ मैम, लेकर जा रही थी, बट इम्प्रूवमेंट कुछ नहीं, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं था। बट नवंबर से जो मैंने स्टार्ट किया मैम, नवंबर से लेके नवंबर तक, फरवरी तक एक जर्नी था केवाईसीपी का। आफ्टर दैट एएसडी का जो जर्नी था वो और भी, वो ऐसे रॉकेट की तरह ऊपर ही जा रहा था,
क्योंकि तुम उसमें बहुत सारा हार्डवर्क डाल रहे थे, है ना? That is the whole thing, guys. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Jaya, so much for coming here. We requested you and you came.
Thank you so much, ma'am. My pleasure.
Yeah. You can't see us both?
I can't see you. I can only see myself and the chat box.
Oh, I don't know. I can see both of us.
Okay. Some issue with the device, ma'am.
Okay. And should you be wanting the masterclass, just type I and my team will send you the link. Be prepared to work hard, guys. I don't want to lie to you. You work hard, you get results. You don't work hard, you sit and you cry. खत्म है बात। अब मेरे को आप जितना मर्जी गंदी बोलो, इतनी गंदी है ऐसे बोलती है, हाँ बोलती है, नहीं फर्क पड़ता मुझे क्योंकि रिजल्ट तभी आएगा जब आप मेहनत डालोगे। Pretty simple. Okay, I think I have to now announce the results of the marathon winners. Marathon is another program we run where these hardworking mothers, they crack it every month, every 30 days, and they do great work with their kids. So, guys, thank you so much. Yeah, Jaya, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And
Welcome. Thanks
yeah,
for the
and
opportunity.
yeah, great. So proud of you and all my warrior students. And with this,
May each kid
we
win,
end
ma'am,
it.
like you say. But I think a small message for parents. प्लीज आई माई सिंसियर रिक्वेस्ट डू नॉट डिले. मुझे अभी भी एक ही रिग्रेट है कि काश मैं 1 साल पहले ये प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन कर लेती. आज मेरा बच्चा कहीं और होती. आई एम टेलिंग यू. सो प्लीज डू नॉट डिले. एक मास्टर क्लास आप मैम का अटेंड कर लीजिए, आपको पता चल जाएगा. बूट कैंप अटेंड कर लीजिए, यू विल गेट फुल क्लैरिटी ऑफ what is there for you in store. Please, आपके बच्चे के लिए please. Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you so much. And guys, YouTube पे, Instagram पे हमारी जो भी रील्स आती हैं वो सब फॉलो करते रहो, है ना? जया बोल रही है मास्टर क्लास अटेंड करो. मैं नहीं बोलूंगी, नहीं तो लोग तुरंत जंप मारते हैं, बोलते हैं ये देख सेल्स करिए इसने.
मैम मैं भी उनके फायदे के लिए बोल रही हूँ, मैम उनके बच्चे के फायदे के लिए.
इसीलिए मैं कह रही हूँ कि सेल्स वाली तुमको झंझट ही ना आए दिमाग में, तो कम से कम अगर सुपर चार्ज अप हो और हार्ड वर्किंग हो तो मास्टर क्लास में आ जाओ. सीधी बात है ना? बिकॉज रिजल्ट ऐसे आएंगे. अगर डाउटफुल हो तो कम से कम यूट्यूब तो देख लो, उसने कौन से पैसे लेने हैं. सो द पॉइंट इज लर्न द टेक्निक्स, लर्न द टेक्निक्स. हमारे बच्चों की भलाई इसी में है. और ये मैं अपनी पूरी टीम को बोलती हूँ, सबको बोलती हूँ, बीइंग जय इज नॉट अ मिरेकल. It's an end result of structured hard work spread over 2 decades. And if that happens with any kid, 2 decades क्या तुमको 4 महीने में दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है रिजल्ट? अगर 4 महीने में ये है तो इसको 20 years से मल्टीप्लाई करो, देखो. It will be the same as Jay, no?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. May each kid win. Thank you so much, people. Thank you, Jaya. Bye
Thank
bye,
you so much.
guys. I'll see you next week. Yeah.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.